Hey Diamonds, welcome back to Diamond Beauty. It's your girl Eva Tarae. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please take a moment to like this video. Comment down below any tips or tricks you use when doing your eyebrows. Hit that subscribe button so that you'll be a part of the Diamond Fam Bam, and smash that notification bell so you'll know exactly when I drop another video. Now that that's out the way, let's get to it. Diamonds, to prep my skin, I grab my Revlon Rose Glow. Now, I love this stuff. It adds a little illumination without being too oily or making me oily or looking like super, super dewy, which I don't like. But keep in mind, only a few drops will do. To prep my brows, I use my NYX Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. It's my favorite brow prep product simply because it keeps my brows put for at least 10 to 12 hours, despite me being a straight grease ball. Now I'm using the spoolie end of the Anastasia Brow Wiz to brush through my crazy ass eyebrows. This step is to brush all the hair in an upward position so that I can start to shape my brows. The shade that I'm actually going to use, this is dark brown, and I'm going to start lining the bottom and kind of lining the top of my brows as well. Before we get too deep in this video, I want to give a mad shout out to some of my Diamond Beauties. Miss J. Rose, I see you, mama. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. Zyra Robinson, hey girl. Aliyah Russell, smooches baby girl. And Vesper Fright, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Diamonds. To find out how you can get a shout out in my next video, keep watching. Up next, I grabbed a medium-sized eyeliner brush and my iconic London Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion in medium. And I use this product to fill in my brows, giving them that fullness that I like. It gives it that drawn-on look. Up next, simply because I'm extra and no other reason, I am going to go over that last product with a MAC eyeshadow. Now the sticker came off that tells me the name of it, but you can use whatever color that works with your skin tone. Since it's pretty dark, I'm just going to focus this color on the middle and end of my brow. Now I'm going to use MAC's Espresso eyeshadow to blend out the first third of my brow. Now that I'm pretty much got my eyebrows like I like them, it's time to clean them up a bit. To do this, I use my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I use the brush to follow the natural arch of my brow, and then I use it also to get those lines super sharp. Now that I got my brows in the shape that I like it, I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and blend the concealer out further. Diamonds, if you made it this far, do me a favor, leave purple hearts below and you'll get a shout out on my next video. Up next, I have to tame these crazy ass hairs, so I go to one of my go-tos, which is my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade Deep Brown. Since my skin is super oily, I have to set my concealer or it will run all over the damn place. So today I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep with that same fluffy blush that I used to blend out the concealer with. My lids are extremely oily as well. I'm going to prime them today with my Innis No Sebum Mineral Powder. Mission accomplished, brows slayed. Diamonds, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And diamonds, as always, until next time.